Hey guys, I'm back. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys 10 different ways you can make your home look expensive. And stay to the end because I'm going to tell you guys a little bonus trick that I found on Prime Day that nobody even told me about, but I just found out about it, that I know is going to save you guys some time when you're shopping on Amazon. And I am so excited to be sitting here talking to you guys. I love you guys so much. And if you're ready to find out these little tips and tricks, let's hop into the video. Bye guys. All right, guys, let's get into this. Tip number one is always declutter your space. It will make you feel better and just make you want to do things. Tip number two is always bring the outside in. That means just letting up the shades, let the sun in, because it will change your mood also. Tip number three, you guys, always rotate and recycle your home decor. I recycled these plants. They used to be in my office, then I moved them outside, and now they are housed in the family room. And it gives the whole area a totally different look. I also moved those books into this space, and it changes everything. So make sure before you go buy something new to recycle items from other rooms. Tip number four, you guys, add a frame to your TVs. Instead of buying those $4,000 or $5,000 picture TVs, just add a frame to it. And then tip number five is you can go on YouTube and just search picture art, and you can actually bring up art just like this, because if you're having company and you don't want to play like a movie or something, you can just do a still frame like this, a still picture, and it looks just like a picture. So I love doing this when we actually have parties and people actually like have to look at it twice, like, is that an actual picture? And I have to tell them it's just on YouTube. So they do have this capability on YouTube, and it will run for 8-10 hours, all kind of hours, but just try doing that when you're having a party. Tip number six, you guys, is taking those store-bought bottles and actually transferring the products over to a glass bottle or a BPA-free bottle that you get from Amazon or Home Goods, just anywhere. It just totally changes the look in that space. Tip number seven is you can take baskets and actually put rolled up small hand towels in the baskets, and it just makes it look more luxurious when people come over. And then after everybody's gone, you can just wash the towels and put them back there. I love doing this because it just looks fancy when people come over. Tip number 8, you guys, is using white towels. White towels always give your bathroom a spa type feel. And so if you want that feeling, just use white towels. This is my daughter's bathroom and she just loves the look. and she's very simple. She doesn't like a lot of clutter, so I always put white towels in her bathroom, and it just gives off a spa feel for her. Tip number 9 is always hang your curtains all the way to the top of the ceiling, because when somebody walks into your room, it automatically brings your eye up and it just makes the wall look taller than it even is. Our ceilings are 10 feet tall, so it just makes our ceiling look even taller to have these curtains all the way up to the ceiling like that. Tip number 10, you guys, I always use white sheets. Most of you guys know that. It makes me feel like everything is clean. It makes me feel like I'm at a hotel, and I love that feeling. I also like to use 2 comforters on my bed because it makes your bed look fluffy. And I also love to use lots of pillows. Everybody knows that because it makes you feel like your bed is from a magazine. Okay guys, here is the bonus tip that you have all been waiting for. If you have the Amazon app, you're going to take out your Amazon, open it up, go to the search engine, and to the left of that microphone, there is a picture that looks like a little camera. You're going to find whatever item that you are looking for. Like if you're out at the store or you find an item that's in a magazine, you're going to take that little camera that's in that search engine, take a picture of that particular item, and Amazon will search their inventory for the comparable item that you gave them through that picture. OMG, what a game changer. I am so glad I found this. This saves me so much time because a lot of times I try to explain what I want in the search engine and sometimes I just can't get it. But anyway, just taking a picture of an item, Amazon will search it and you're done. So if you know somebody that does not know about this little hack that Amazon has, please share it with them because it will probably change a lot of things and make shopping faster for them on Amazon. All right, guys, thank you so much for clicking on the channel. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button. To all my new subscribers, welcome to the family. And until the next video, I will see you guys soon. Bye.